Hi mga loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here again and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everyone is well, and for those who's new to my channel, hi, my name is Maricel. Nice to meet you. So in today's video, we are going to make kinilaw. So we're gonna be using a tuna, since I'll be the only one eating this. So I have a small cut of tuna in here and I'm gonna slice them in a cube small cut. But first we have to wash them with a vinegar, and these are all the ingredients. We do need this minced onion. We do have here a ginger. I sliced them into minced cut as well. I don't have calamansi, so wala akong calamansi na available. We're gonna be using lemon, and this is a red bell pepper. This is also optional, and I'm going to slice or cut them into mince as well. And we'll be using unsalted egg. I just need one piece of that. And this is for garnishing the scallion, the spring onion, and this is optional. So of course the vinegar, and we're gonna be using a mayonnaise. Mayonnaise as well is optional, but I found it that mayo is better than using a coconut milk in my opinion. So alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I washed our tuna and then I let it sit for 3 minutes before I drain it. So I'm gonna transfer it here. You see, it's just a small amount. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix them all together. So I'm going to add on this ginger. I know it's just a small amount, but if you put a lot of spices, it's a lot better and tastes better. So this is like 1/4 cup of minced onion. I think I put it too much, but yeah, about that. And then this minced red pepper, and that is also optional. I just like that it's add on a flavor into it, and then it's colorful. And then our salted eggs, this one I only put 1 piece, but if you use like 2 or 3 pieces of that size of the tuna that I use, you can add on 1 more of the salted egg. So I tried this couple times back in the Philippines when I go home, and it tastes really good. It's really, you should try them. And then now I'm contemplating if I should use the Kalamansi powder. I have it here, this one, but I've changed my mind. I'm just gonna go ahead use a fresh lemon. So I'm gonna put and squeeze there, probably around almost 2, hang on, I dropped 1 seed in there, probably like 2 tablespoons. And then there's no definite or exact measurement what I'm doing right now. Like for instance, the vinegar, I'm just gonna eyeball it, probably like 1 tablespoon or a little more than that, maybe 1 tablespoon and a half, and just give it a little mix. Of course, you're gonna add on some salt, not too much because I already put salted egg. That's probably half a teaspoon right there, but you can always add on though, so no big deal. And also, oops, and also let's do half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna go ahead put a little bit more vinegar, but it's probably so around 2 tablespoons all in all. And then we're gonna go ahead, this is also optional guys, some people use coconut milk. I've tried it before, but it's not as good as, you know, my preference is the mayonnaise, probably like that amount, like 1 tablespoon. Just give it a mix. Alright loves, so I try it off the camera if I need a salt and it tastes good. So again, it's like almost 1/2 teaspoon I believe that I put. I didn't put so much because there's already salted eggs in it, and it's just a small amount portion of kinilaw. And now since I don't have sili, okay, what is sili? Chili or pampaanghang. I do have crushed red pepper in here, so it gives a little spicy to it. So that's also like half a teaspoon. There's a little bit more in there, and then there you go. And it's delicious, by the way. Alright loves, it's testing time. I have rice in here. I miss this so much. I'm sorry, my mouth is full. The last time I had this was last year when I came home, when I went home. So the sourness and salt, plus the taste of the lemon and vinegar, plus the mayonnaise and the salted egg mixed together, makes it perfectly delicious. You should try this, mga loves. I know there's different version of Tuna Kinilaw, but I don't know, mine is really good. You should try it. The only time you find out, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to me, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.